Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new, I'm Feb, and today, surprisingly, we've got the Magic Delivered Cozy Box. So this was supposed to come out in December, I think, and we're here now at the beginning of April. Mine's just arrived. Do you know, I didn't even know what it was, and I've opened the top of it thinking it was going to be makeup, and no. So when you open it up, what you see is that. So I'll put you into top-down view and we'll have a look and see what's in here. It's very small, very snug. Okay, so I'll just pull these out one at a time, and here we go with the sticker sheet, which was right on the top. As you see, we've got one for each of your houses, this little village sticker, and then this one, and then my favorite of all, this one. That is so cute. I will find a book or a journal or somewhere to put that for sure. And here we have the cheat sheet, so I'll leave that until the end. So let's just unpack what we've got here. Okay, I've just taken this out of its plastic packaging, and we have a beanie that somehow, remarkably, I've already got fluff and cat fur and goodness knows what else on. Oh my god, that is, this really is the cozy box, isn't it? Look how cute. Unbelievable. 2 seconds, literally. Okay, I don't go out the house very much. Will I wear this? I actually probably would. It's super cute. Okay, next we have a pin. I've just removed it from its plastic packaging. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm sure I've seen them do these in the past. Oh, it's number 3 of 6. Okay, cute. I love it. Favorite item so far. Next, also in plastic wrapping, we have this item. What is that? What is this? Is it for putting on mugs to keep your coffee warm? Could be, you know, like outdoor mugs, travel mugs. That is very nice. I like this very much. The colour's gorgeous. Okay. And then we have this, let me just zoom out a bit so that you can see it in all its glory. Here we go. Well, a bit more glory. So we've got the Wintertime Market gorgeous snowman with his little owl. Ask about our magical no-melt snowman kits. It's extremely long. Are people in America just like taller? I don't know. And then the 394th Annual Village Wintertime Market on the front. That is very nice. It's what do you call it? It's a transfer, so it's not you know, embroidered or anything. But it's very pretty, and I love the colour. It's just gorgeous. It's going to clash horribly with my pink hair, but it's still pretty. Okay, next we have a candle. It's Molly's Baking. It's a 4-ounce soy candle. Plain tin, plain candle. Smells like cookies. It's very nice, very cute. Okay, I've just wrangled this out of the box. Look how lovely. I haven't kept any of these little cups and saucers myself because they're not really my cup of tea, but this one is. It just screams Christmas. Look how beautiful is this. And here we've got Hedwig and candles, butterbeer, snowman and stars, floating candles and envelopes and parcels and yeah, all that. That is super pretty, so I will definitely be keeping that. Okay, for such a small box, they sure managed to squeeze a lot into here. And the last item, get the plastic off my finger, is this. It's a nightlight. Unfortunately, it's an American nightlight, so this is no good to me without an adapter. Don't you have weird plugs over there? That's so odd to look at. Anyway, I'm guessing that this is a sensor, so it'll just come on when you go by. That is cool. I really like it. And of course, you know, it's a Ravenclaw one, so thank you for getting that right. Love. Okay, I need to get myself an adapter. That's going to freak the cats out when they walk past it on a night. Okay, quick recap. Let's get the cheat sheet out and see what it says. So we've got the market tea, the cozy beanie, the house night light even, the mini teacup, This rounds off the fourth and final teacup of the series in collaboration with Vicky from Forensic and Flowers. The cozy candle, the sticker sheet, and then bonus magical extra, a thoughtfully chosen surprise from our shop included as a thank you for sticking with us. A little extra magic just because you deserve it. Okay, so that's going to be this as being the only item that's not mentioned on the list. So thank you so much for that. Worth the wait. Absolutely gorgeous little box. Favourite item? Maybe the pin or the teacup, actually, because the teacup is super pretty. All right, I will leave it like this, call that the end of this video, and I will see you soon for the next one. Take care and stay safe, everybody.